This is a 2023 Akins Ford F450 Platinum in the stock form. Now you know that we're the best at taking stock to custom just like that. It can go from daylight to midnight just like that. What you know about that, y'all? Instantly from daylight to midnight. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Let's do it one more time. Daylight to midnight. Mike Holloway's Akins Ford F450 Platinum Midnight Reserve Edition on 38s and 28s. Let's go. In this video, we're going to show you Mike Holloway's amazing midnight statement of a truck. But first, let's show you it in the stock form. The 2023 F450 is the pinnacle of the Super Duty segment, a really capable do-all-any vehicle. Anything you throw at this truck, it's going to be able to handle. Well, Mike Holloway wanted to elevate it and take it to the next level with our Midnight Reserve Edition package. We were thinking 26s. We said, no, let's go bigger. Let's go 28s. We were thinking 37s. We said, no, let's go bigger. Let's go 38. This truck right here is nothing wrong with this truck. It is a great vehicle all the way around. Just knowing what is possible with our Midnight Reserve Edition package truly elevates, and still it'll tow or pull whatever you need it to, rolling big. Obviously our Midnight includes deleting all of this chrome and red and brushed aluminum accents throughout the entire vehicle. That's part of our Midnight Reserve Edition paint package, but also so many great things like our lift kit components improve the ride quality. The interior, where we did audio, starlight headliner, rock lights, and more, truly make this a one-of-one statement build. Now for the full epic review, roll that footage. I got my Wild Willies swag on. Check it out at wildwilliesaccessories.com. I got the J's on and a special surprise for you. We've been waiting for this truck for over 2.5 months. Mike Holloway, thank you so much, sir. This is the nastiest F450 to date. Oh my gosh, I can't. I just want to hug it, y'all. I just want to hug and rub all over this truck. I mean, oh, I gotta watch out for the spikes. The spikes will take your leg off. You gotta watch out for them, y'all. We're on 38s and 28s. Here we go, Mike Holloway. This is such an unbelievable rendition. We've done a few Midnight Reserves that have hit me just right, but none like this one. We're on 28, y'all. Look at this. And Forgiatos at that. We're on the Forgies, and we're on 38s, not 37. So we do have a little bit more supplemental sidewall, and drove this truck earlier today on the Striker kit, and it really rides good to be on 28s. Because let's be honest, on 28s, you're not going to expect the most primo ride quality like a 37-22 combo, but the truck has really surprised me all the way around. We're on the Striker all black Midnight kit from them in the 3.5 rendition. Some of you all see other companies doing 6-inch lifted trucks on this same 38-inch combo, and to me, I don't want to go any taller than is required. So a 3.5, you know we're all about going not too tall, so a 3.5 on 38s, feeling great. Your boy is 39 now, but I'm still stuck on the 38 train. It's the new 37, and again, only 3.5-inch Striker lifted. It's their blackout kit, no chrome on this one whatsoever. I love their rear radius arms. Typically they have milling on that, but all blacked out of a special rendition. A unique cross sway bar up front was selected by me, and we got Fox shocks with remote resis all the way around, dual steering stabilizers to go along with it. Our midnight paint package is none like it. It is so premium. We even took away the texture on the side bed step right there, along with back here in the rear, this side step, as well as the whole texture on the step of the bumper there. All of this is glass. It is money, looking so incredible. Truly, truly a unique and special truck. You won't find a truck as bad as this anywhere in the country. We got a Pace Edwards power bed cover to go along. We smoked the tails, we did the applique, everything was taken care of on this build. Look at our Fury tires, as well as the Country Hunter MT, 38, 13.5, 28. I cannot stress enough, we're on 28 inches. 28, y'all. We got NBRP exhaust, rigid SRQs in the back, our mild to wild scale with the Forgiato. It is just right. What is this? What is this? We got the J's, baby. I got the lows on today. Had to break them out, never worn before. Got the 12s. Oh man, you knew I had to do it. You knew I was gonna bring you something special in this one, and we brought the J's out on top of the 38 and the 28s. Ugh! On the inside, we've got Starlight. I've got it on the green and the blue right now, but it can hit whatever color you want. It's got a remote that can change everything, pulsating as well. Looking amazing, a great rendition there. We did a dual sub combo in the back as well. This thing rocks, it hits super hard. Look at that Starlight. Man, that Starlight was a must right there. And we've got audio to go along with it. The truck hits hard. It's got great overall sound quality. Again, 38s on 28s. Midnight Reserve for my man, Mike Holloway. Thanks so much for your patience, and it means everything that you trusted in us to make this dream come true. I cannot wait to see you shutting the block down, stunting hard everywhere you go on this Midnight Beauty. Where are you gonna find it? Only at Akins and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia. We've got several other midnight trucks coming to you soon. They're on 38s and 24s and other combos. We've got many other F450s that are going to be available 1st of January. But when we get an opportunity to do a truck like this behind me, it really, really energizes me. Like, I've been so tore up about this truck all day today. I mean, just look at it, y'all. This truck is so substantial. It's not over boastful. It's not too tall. It has a great ride quality for what it is. Only at 3.5 inches, 38s and 28s is shutting the game down. Now this truck is very expensive. We're talking nearly 25 grand just in the wheels and tires, paint package, premium, bed cover, almost 4 grand, rock lights, everything, audio, Starlight. This is a big time build for a big time customer, Mike Holloway. Man, I love you. Can't wait to see you later this week to pick this bad boy up. A truly legacy day for us with an amazing truck, and that's what it's about, and I cannot wait to see the look on his face when he sees this bad boy. I'm so blessed and thankful for everything we get to do here, y'all, and bring all of our great customers everything auto. Baby, let's go. Catch y'all later.